To fix a Hikvision playback issue, several common causes should be considered. Firstly, incorrect time settings can lead to playback problems. Ensuring the device's time and date match the local time by adjusting the system settings can resolve this. Additionally, hard drive issues can prevent recorded footage from being played back. Checking the hard drive status and considering deleting old recordings or upgrading to a larger drive if it's full can help. Network problems can also arise due to a poor connection, so ensuring a stable network and proper device connection, restarting the router, or switching to a wired connection may be necessary. In some cases, corrupt files can prevent playback, and unfortunately, deleting the corrupt files and ensuring the system is set to record moving forward may be the only solution. By addressing these potential causes, users can troubleshoot and fix Hikvision playback issues, getting their device working properly again.